Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to lock app on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So I'm provide full guide. So first open your Play Store, go to search option, search there to okay. Press on. At first need to install these apps. Okay, press on open. Then you just need to set up. Showing it to lock type 4-digit pin, pattern, code like 4-digit pin. Press on OK. Create and again press on save. Okay, click on and make sure to turn on. Okay, permission, press on allow. Okay, now overall set and I'm easily use these apps. Open my app lock and unlock any apps. Go to lock section. Then showing you to all apps. Then automatically lock all your installed apps. At first need to unlock. I'm only lock my gallery. And my YouTube. Okay, now it's lock, gallery and YouTube. So let's try. When I'm open my gallery, need to enter password, then it's open, and the same way to YouTube. So that's it.